You know, Pop, this junkyard business is from the Stone Age. We need to catch up with the times. Catch up on what, son? Now, we've been doing this just fine for years. Pop, have you ever heard of ChatGPT? GPT what? Is that some kind of new car model? No, Pop. ChatGPT is an AI developed by OpenAI. It's a language model that can understand and generate human-like text. Text? Speak English, boy. Alright, Pop, no problem. So, Pop, imagine a tool that can help us manage this junkyard better, answering customer queries, managing our inventory, even helping with sales and marketing. You telling me a machine can do all that? Let me show you, Pop, no problem. Check this out. You can do all this on ChatGPT. See, we can use it to handle customer inquiries, create content for our website, maybe even strategize our marketing. Best part is we can customize it to fit our needs, Pop. This is some next level stuff, son. So, son, you know those rich 70s stars like Paul McCartney or Elton John. They use this thing too. Maybe not directly, Pop, but businesses they invest in could be using AI tools like ChatGPT to stay competitive. It's the future of business, Pop. Well, it looks like the future is right here in our junkyard. Who would have thought? Stepping in the future with this, what'd you call it again? ChatGPT, Pop. And yes, we're stepping into the future indeed.